NASA: A Journey Through Time. Since its inception in 1958, NASA has been at the forefront of human space exploration, transforming our understanding of the cosmos and inspiring generations. Today we're taking you on a journey through NASA's storied past, its groundbreaking achievements, and the remarkable missions that continue to shape our future in space. The dawn of space exploration. It all began in 1958, when the United States established NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, in response to the Soviet Union's early successes in space. The space race was in full swing, and NASA's first challenge was to prove that America could reach and explore beyond our own planet. During the early 1960s, projects like Mercury and Gemini laid the groundwork for human spaceflight. Mercury sent the first Americans into orbit, while Gemini honed the skills required for space rendezvous and long-duration flights. These missions not only captured the imagination of the world, but also established the essential technologies for the next giant leap. The Apollo era was a time of reaching for the moon, a bold and ambitious goal that pushed the boundaries of what was possible. This era marked a significant leap in human space exploration, showcasing the incredible advancements in technology and the indomitable spirit of exploration. The climax of this early period came with the Apollo program. In 1969, Apollo 11 made history when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin set foot on the lunar surface, a moment watched by millions around the globe. Apollo was more than just a series of missions, it was a demonstration of human ingenuity, teamwork, and courage. Over the course of 6 Apollo missions, NASA not only landed astronauts on the moon, but also returned lunar samples, conducted experiments, and left behind instruments to continue the work. Even as Apollo 17 in 1972 marked the last crewed lunar landing, the legacy of the program continues to inspire the ongoing quest for exploration. The Space Shuttle era marked a new chapter of international collaboration in space exploration. Working together with partners around the world, NASA launched missions that built and maintained the International Space Station, fostering a spirit of global cooperation. As we moved into the 1970s and beyond, NASA's focus shifted toward long-term presence in space. The Space Shuttle program, beginning in the early 1980s, revolutionized space travel by introducing reusable spacecraft. Over 30 years, the shuttle carried out 135 missions, assembling and servicing the International Space Station, deploying satellites, and even repairing the Hubble Space Telescope. This era also marked the beginning of international collaboration. The ISS, a joint project with partners from Europe, Russia, Japan, and Canada, became a symbol of what can be achieved when nations work together. For nearly 2 decades, the ISS has served as a research laboratory orbiting 250 miles above Earth, continuously inhabited by astronauts from around the world. While humans have paved the way in low Earth orbit and on the lunar surface, NASA's robotic missions have ventured farther than any human has ever traveled. The Voyager probes, launched in 1977, continue to send back data from interstellar space, revealing the mysteries of our solar system's outer boundaries. Other flagship missions, like the Cassini-Huygens spacecraft, revolutionized our understanding of Saturn and its moons. Mars too has been a primary target for exploration, from the pioneering Sojourner rover on Mars Pathfinder in 1996 to the more recent Curiosity, Perseverance, and the Ingenuity helicopter. Each mission has uncovered clues about Mars' past habitability and set the stage for potential human exploration. Today, NASA stands at the crossroads of past achievements and future ambitions. The Artemis program is poised to return humans to the moon, with Artemis II's uncrewed test flight paving the way for Artemis II's crewed flyby and Artemis III's historic lunar landing. These missions aim not only to revisit the moon, but to build a sustainable human presence there, serving as a stepping stone for future Mars missions. Additionally, projects like the James Webb Space Telescope and upcoming missions to Venus, Mars, and beyond continue to push the envelope of scientific discovery. NASA is partnering with commercial companies, SpaceX, Blue Origin, Firefly Aerospace, and others, to develop new technologies, reduce costs, and make space more accessible than ever. From launching probes to distant worlds, to developing 3-dimensional printed habitats on the moon using local materials, NASA's innovative spirit remains undimmed. Every new mission builds on decades of research and daring exploration. Section Conclusion Duration 0000 COs. NASA's journey is one of constant evolution, a story that began with overcoming the impossible in the 1960s and continues today with unprecedented collaboration and technological breakthroughs. From human spaceflight to robotic explorers, from Earth orbit to interstellar space, NASA has not only changed our view of the universe, but has also inspired us to dream bigger. As we look back at these incredible achievements and forward to the new frontiers yet to be explored, one thing remains clear. The spirit of exploration is timeless, and the quest to understand our place in the cosmos continues to drive humanity forward.